Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, who composed the famous song Sare Jahan Se Acha? A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. D.C. Chatterjee, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Muhammad Iqbal. The correct answer is option D. Muhammad Iqbal. Next question, which city is known as the sweet city of India? A. Nagpur, B. Muzaffarpur, C. Lucknow, D. Kannauj. The correct answer is option B. Muzaffarpur. Next question. Where is the Jantar Mantar located in India? A. New Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Jaipur, D. Jodhpur. The correct answer is option C. Jaipur. Next question. The population census in India is conducted after year. A. 4 years, B. 10 years, C. 11 years, D. 18 years. The correct answer is option B. 10 years. Next question. When is Army Day celebrated every year in India? A. 2nd October, B. 4th December, C. 15th January, D. 15th August. The correct answer is option C. 15th January. Next question. Which is the largest industry in India? A. Petroleum, B. Iron and steel, C. Jute, D. Textile. The correct answer is option D. Textile. Next question. Which country has the most number of universities? A. India, B. China, C. Russia, D. Canada. The correct answer is option A. India. Next question. Which musical instrument is Goddess Saraswati associated with? A. Conch, B. Sitara, C. Veena, D. Ektara. The correct answer is option C. Veena. Next question. Which canal is also known as the Rajasthan Canal? A. Srihind Canal, B. Ganesh Canal, C. Indira Gandhi Canal, D. Buckingham Canal. The correct answer is option C. Indira Gandhi Canal. Next question. Which state is known as the fruit bucket of India? A. Punjab, B. Uttarakhand, C. Jammu Kashmir, D. Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option D. Himachal Pradesh. Next question. What is the capital city of least populated state Sikkim? A. Agartala, B. Itanagar, C. Gangtok, D. Dispur. The correct answer is option D. Dispur. Next question. Karnavati is the old name of which city in India? A. Kanpur, B. Ahmedabad, C. Bengaluru, D. Nagpur. The correct answer is option B. Ahmedabad. Next question. Which city is known as the gateway of South India? A. Chennai, B. Mangaluru, C. Coimbatore, D. Bengaluru. The correct answer is option A. Chennai. Next question. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? A. Aravalli Range, B. The Himalayas, C. Vindhya Ranges, D. Western Ghats. The correct answer is option A. Aravalli Range. Next question. Which status is the largest producer of silver? A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. The correct answer is option A. Rajasthan. Next question. Which country has the most number of official languages? A. India, B. Spain, C. China, D. Zimbabwe. The correct answer is option D. Zimbabwe. Next question. The main language Kasi is spoken in which states of India? A. Mizoram, B. Meghalaya, C. Karnataka, D. Nagaland. The correct answer is option B. Meghalaya. Next question. Which is the largest post office in India? A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Chennai, D. Kolkata. The correct answer is option B. Mumbai General Post Office. Next question. Who founded the Indian National Army in 1942? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Captain Mohan Singh, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is option C. Captain Mohan Singh. Last question. In which state is the literacy rate of women the highest? A. West Bengal, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is option C. Kerala. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.